In a world that often demands convenience, our food choices can unknowingly compromise our health. Let's delve into the seemingly innocent items that might be wreaking havoc on our well-being. Number 1. Granola bars. They are often perceived as a health-conscious snack, can harbor hidden sugars and unhealthy fats. Some commercially available bars pack as much sugar as candy bars, contributing to excessive calorie intake and potential weight gain. It's crucial to scrutinize ingredient lists and opt for options with minimal added sugars and wholesome ingredients. Number 2. Pre-packaged smoothies. While pre-packaged smoothies offer a quick dose of fruits and vegetables, they can also be laden with added sugars and preservatives. These sugars may offset the nutritional benefits, potentially leading to energy crashes and weight-related concerns. Consider making your smoothies at home using fresh ingredients to maintain control over what goes into your blend. Number 3. Energy drinks. They are marketed as quick pick-me-ups, often contain high levels of caffeine and sugar. Excessive consumption can lead to heightened heart rate, insomnia, and even more severe health issues. It's crucial to be mindful of these beverages' stimulating ingredients and explore alternative, healthier ways to boost energy levels. Number 4. Breakfast cereals. Many breakfast cereals, particularly those aimed at children, can be sugar-laden culprits. Starting the day with a bowl full of refined sugars may contribute to energy spikes and crashes, affecting mood and concentration. Opt for whole grain, low-sugar cereals for a more sustained and nutritious start to your morning. Number 5. Instant noodles. While instant noodles are undeniably convenient, their nutritional profile often leaves much to be desired. Packed with sodium, unhealthy fats, and preservatives, regular consumption can contribute to high blood pressure and other health concerns. For a healthier option, consider exploring whole grain alternatives or adding fresh vegetables and lean proteins to enhance nutritional value. In our quest for convenience, it's essential to unmask the seemingly innocuous items that may be compromising our health. By making informed choices and prioritizing whole, nutrient-dense foods, we can empower ourselves to maintain a balanced and nourishing diet. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this weekly.